What are you doing, frequencies? Today's topic is replacing fear with faith. Faith is your awareness of, belief in, and harmonizing with the universal powers. You should not simply have faith, you must use it. Faith is a state of mind. For it to be useful to you in achieving lastful success, it must be an active, not passive faith. For the purpose of this content, your own spiritual beliefs are not important, except that you will learn to put them and much more into a daily practice. Active faith is the process of relating yourself to the viral forces of the world, which are called infinite intelligence. Remember, faith is a state of mind which develops by conditioning your mind to receive infinite intelligence. Applied faith is the adaptation of the power of infinite intelligence to your definite major purpose. Applied faith is the dynamic of the science of personal achievement, the source of energy to put your thoughts into action. In faith, temporarily relax your own reason and willpower and open your mind completely to the inflow of infinite intelligence. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Therefore, do not allow self-imposed limitations and restrictions to block the flow of infinite intelligence. You cannot simply announce to yourself that you have faith and expect instant results. Faith is a state of mind which must be cultivated. Set aside at least an hour a day to contemplate your relationship to infinite intelligence. Look for the ways in which it is manifested in your life and for the places where its power can be applied. Clear your mind of all negative thoughts of want, poverty, fear, your health, and disharmony. And then take these 3 easy steps to build your faith. 1. Express a definite desire for achievement of a purpose and relate it to one or more of the basic human motives. Create a definite and specific plan for attaining that desire. Start acting on that plan, putting every conscious effort behind it. So I actually just gave you 1 through 3. So I'll repeat that for you. 1. Express a definite desire for achievement of a purpose and relate it to one or more of the basic human motives. 2. Create a definite and specific plan for attaining that desire. 3. Start acting on the plan, putting every conscious effort behind it. And those are the 3 steps that you would take to build your faith. Now, if your plan does not work out exactly as you expected, repeat the procedure. It takes time to build faith, to open your mind with the application. But remember, you cannot expect infinite intelligence to do your work. That's what applied faith means. If the plan you conceive through faith requires the cooperation of other people, you must work to gain it. It will not just happen. If your plan requires capital, it will not just appear at your doorstep in a grocery bag. You must seek it out with the best of your abilities. You must put your faith into action. A final word. If you make your prayers and expressions of gratitude and thanksgiving for the blessings you already have, instead of requesting for things that you do not have, you will obtain results much faster. An important part of opening your mind to faith is ridding your mind of the fears which limit your belief. So you can accept this fact. For only a simple-minded person worries about something over which he or she has no control. Your mind attracts anything it dwells upon. Most people go through life thinking about the things they don't want to happen, and they probably experience every one of them. Wouldn't it be a better idea then to refuse to think about the things that you don't want and to feed your mind with pictures of things that you do want? There is nothing more important than learning the art of keeping your mind focused upon the things, conditions, and circumstances you really want. This is the greatest application of applied faith you can make. When your mind has definitions of purpose, you are in condition to start having faith. And when you have faith, you can call upon infinite intelligence to apply. Persistent action backed by definiteness of purpose will pump up your faith. The key to putting your faith into action is to have a positive mental attitude.